Hi folks, Ken here from Chandler. Today we're going to show you how to properly and professionally clean your vehicle tires. Before we begin though, we need to make sure we're wearing the proper safety attire, as we will be working with some heavy duty cleaners. Now we're good to go. Now the first thing we're going to do is give the rims a good rinse. Once we finish, then we use the red punch to get all the dirt and grime off. Because this is an acid-based cleaner, the maximum amount of time you want to leave this product on your rims is 5 minutes. When you spray this on, you have to be careful to remember not to get it on your car. You spray it on, then you rinse it off. You can see how the acid cleaner removes all the dirt and grime directly off your tire's rims. Next, we're going to clean our tires with purple punch. If you look closely, you can actually see the dirt coming right off. Now, you don't need to scrub or put any effort into it. Just spray it on and rinse it off. Now we rinse. So the main thing to remember with your blue punch is to make sure that your tires are nice and dry before you put it on. Now that we're good, we can spray on our blue punch and see how it works. Look at those tires and rims shine. I'm Ken Landry from Chandler. Thanks for tuning in. And as always, this is how we can help with that.